Mid-Year Listening Test, Part 2A. You will hear a short talk and some questions. Before the talk, you will have time to read the questions. Listen to the talk about the Great Pacific Garbage Patch and choose the best answer from the answer choices A, B, C, and D.
Floating in the North Pacific Ocean is something no human being can be proud of. The Great Pacific Garbage Patch, otherwise known as the Eastern Garbage Patch or the Pacific Trash Vortex. Whichever name you choose to use, it's shocking. The garbage patch is made up of rubbish that comes from coastal areas of both North America and Asia, as well as that from vessels that sail through the area. It's a result of ocean currents moving this waste to one location. These ocean currents move in a circular pattern, and this movement of the water draws rubbish in towards the center of the patch, where it becomes trapped and cannot escape. While rubbish from North America takes 5 or 6 years to become part of the garbage patch, waste from Japan and other Asian countries takes closer to a year. Composed mainly of plastic, the garbage patch is estimated to be roughly twice the size of the American state of Texas. In other words, huge. When people hear the words garbage patch, many of them mistakenly believe that it is a huge island of plastic rubbish floating on the surface of the ocean, able to be seen for miles around. This is not the case, however, because in water, plastic breaks down into smaller pieces, very often tiny pieces called microplastics. Microplastics make up the largest part of the garbage patch and can't be seen by the naked eye. Once the plastic pieces become small enough, they can be eaten by sea creatures, which means they enter the food chain and may even end up on our plates. While larger pieces of plastic do float on the surface, other pieces sink to the middle or the bottom of the ocean. These larger pieces of plastic are also a threat to sea life. For example, sea turtles may mistake plastic bags for jellyfish and eat them, and the plastic rings used to hold 4 or 6 soft drink cans together get stuck around the necks of many marine animals and birds, which kills them. Interestingly, many climatologists who study weather patterns and the climate, and other scientists who study the oceans and seas predicted back in 1988 the existence of something like the garbage patch. However, it was actually Charles Moore, an oceanographer, who discovered it in 1997 while he was sailing from Hawaii to California with his crew after competing in a yacht race. The environmental organization that he had founded in 1994 then turned its attention to raising awareness of this serious environmental problem.